Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tools2Hack. So let's continue with part 3 of this series. So today we are going to continue with these 5 commands. So let's start with command number 1, which is clear. So if you are working on something important or even typing out many commands to perform operation, your command line can get pretty congested. So to clear out all the commands you have written to concentrate on a thing, you can just type in the command clear so that the command line clears out all the previous commands you have written so that you may again concentrate on the work you were doing. So let's continue with command number 2, which is ifconfig. So if you type ifconfig, you may see a list of interfaces in your system. So I have a Ethernet connection, which is the work of the Windows subsystem for Linux connected to my system via bridged mode. So it gives many useful information such as IPv4 address, the net mask, the IPv6 address, and all the packets transmitted through this interface. Another version of this same ifconfig is the command called iwconfig, which specifically shows you all the wireless interfaces that are present in your computer. As I am using WSL and only have the Ethernet connection to my Kali Linux system, as you can see here, I have no wireless extensions. So let's move on to command number 3, which is mkdir, which abbreviates to make directory. So it is pretty similar to the command touch, which we use to make files, but in this case we will be making directories. So you can just type mkdir and the name of the directory. So if we type ls, as you can see, the directory called sample is created. You can cd into it and paste files or create files into it, and as you can see that there is no output if I type ls. This means that the mkdir command only produces empty directories. So you can type cd space double period to get out of the directory. So let's continue with command number 4, which is rm, which abbreviates to remove. So you can type rm and the name of a file to remove it out of the system. As you can see, I have removed the sample.txt file, and to remove a directory we must add option -r, which abbreviates to -recursively, which deletes a directory along with its contained files. So if I type remove -r the directory sample and type ls, as you can see the directory sample has been removed. So let's move on to command number 5, which is man, which abbreviates to manual. So it is just like an instruction notebook. So it provides instructions on the usage of a command or tool with its description of the options of a tool or a command. So you can type man and the name of a command or a tool. So let me type man space ls. As you can see, it provides all of useful information along with the description of all the options. So if the help command isn't enough for you to get started with commands or tools, you can definitely type man and the name of the tool so that you may know all the description of the options that can be used and what does each option do to the command you were writing. So to quit the man page, you can type q and it exits out of the manual page. So like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.